Hi, my name is Doug McEncroe. I'm originally from Sydney in Australia, but many years ago I went to live in Italy, where I stayed for some 5 years, and then I moved to Madrid in Spain, and it was there I stayed 25 years, and it was there also that I started my own consultancy company. And from the very early stages, I became fascinated in leadership development and so specialized in projects developing leadership in organizations and often supporting those processes with coaching. Over the years, I worked all around Spain, but also I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to work with other organizations, for example, like manager of Ashridge Management College in Great Britain, where I delivered for many years the Open Enrollment Leadership Development Program. But I also worked all around Europe for companies like Accenture, CCL, DDI, Mercer, and Cirrus. And so working with these organizations and through my own work in Spain, I got to design and implement leadership development programs in some 150 Fortune 500 companies in some 22 different countries around Europe, but wider than Europe as well. And so about 5 years ago, I wanted to write a book about my experiences and what I actually learned about leadership and leadership development. And then I also, at the same time, started to write a blog in which I would share with the people who were interested in following me things that I had learned about, as I said, leadership and leadership development. And so what I'm starting today is through a new medium, through my video blog, the same type of thing, but in a much more informal way, as it would be if I was having a conversation in a coaching session or in a session facilitating one of my leadership development programs. And so every Tuesday, I want to produce just a very short 2 to 3 minute video in which I'm going to talk about leadership and developing leadership. I'm going to talk about best practices. I'm going to talk about some great CEOs that I've met and what made them great. I'm going to talk about common problems that all leaders at all levels of organizations face today and different approaches that they use to overcoming those problems. I'll talk about current affairs and what can be relevant about what is happening today in the world, thinking about leadership. And just share with you insights that I've had, things that I've learned about leadership, about coaching, and about the development of leadership. So I hope through this more intimate and perhaps more informal medium, you'll have better access to my thoughts, my experiences, and my insights. So I look forward to seeing you every week right here on Tuesday for my video blog. So I'll see you next week with the first real piece of content. Thank you very much.